Good morning to all students. So this is the one of the topic we will discuss today, that is classification of neutrons on the basis of energy. These type of neutrons can be used in nuclear reactions. See, first one is the interaction of neutrons with the nuclei depends on neutron energy. So several types of nuclear interaction undergoes decay depending on energy. Disintegration process takes place. First one is slow neutrons. See, the neutrons in the energy ranges from 0 to 1000 electron volt. This fall in this category and it classified into two types. In case of slow neutron, there are two types. One is cold neutrons and another one is thermal neutrons. See, cold neutrons possess energy will below the energy of thermal neutrons. See, approximately 0.002 electron volt. Its energy ranges from 0.002 electron volt. Second one is thermal neutrons. Here, when fast neutrons are moderated to the energies of the order of, it is thermal vibrations at room temperature, then thermal neutrons are produced within the approximately energy ranges from 0.025 electron volt. Second type of neutron, that is intermediate neutrons. Intermediate means it ranges from 1 kilo electron volt to 0.5 mega electron volt. These neutrons will fall in the range of energy range 1 kilo electron volt to 0.5 mega electron volt. It is termed as intermediate neutrons. Third one is fast neutrons. For fast neutrons, the energy ranges from 0.5 mega electron volt to 10 mega electron volt. See, fast neutrons can be used in nuclear reactors. Then very fast neutrons, depending on their energy, very fast neutrons means energy ranges from 10 mega electron volt to 50 mega electron volt. Last one is ultra fast neutrons. In this means the neutrons with neutrons energy which is greater than 50 mega electron volt are called ultra fast neutrons. See, these type of neutrons comes from cosmic ray sources or produced in high energy particle accelerators like cyclotron, betatron, synchrotron, etc. See, this is the classification of neutrons on the basis of energy. This is 4 marks question. This could be asked for 4 marks. Discuss the classification of neutrons on the basis of energy. One is slow neutrons. In that there are two types. One is cold neutrons, another one is thermal neutrons. Second type is intermediate neutrons. Its energy ranges from 1 kilo electron volt to 0.5 mega electron volt. And the third one is fast neutrons. Its energy ranges from 0.5 mega electron volt to 10 mega electron volt. Then fourth one is very fast neutrons. Energy ranges from 10 to 50 mega electron volt. And last one is ultra fast neutrons. That is energy greater than 50 mega electron volt. These neutrons comes from cosmic ray sources and which are produced in this can also be produced in high energy particle accelerators like cyclotron, betatron, synchrotron, etc.